Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you're new to my channel, my name is MariiiBajariii, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So I just want to first start off by saying thank you guys so much for 7,000 subscribers. There is a lot of new people on here, so if you are new here to my channel, hello, welcome, and I hope you guys stay for a while and you will not be disappointed in my content, I promise you. But yeah, I'm just so surprised because I feel like my channel is growing very fast. 7,000 may not be a lot to some of you, but 7,000 is a lot to me because even when I hit 1,000, I was like, oh my gosh, like 1,000 people are watching me. But now to know that I'm at 7,000 and 7,000 people are on my channel, subscribe, click that button, that is crazy to me, you guys. You have no idea. So yeah, I just wanted to get that out there before we start this video. But for today's video, we're going to do a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is my go-to glam, my everyday makeup look. If I know I'm going to take an Instagram picture, or if I know I just want to look cute, this is my go-to makeup look. So if you guys would like to learn this makeup look right here, I suggest you keep on watching. But before we start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. For today's video, I am going to be doing my everyday makeup or everyday glam, whatever. I have been doing this makeup look for the past few weeks, like literally every single day, because I have been on vacation non-stop, and this is my quick and easy go-to makeup look. It does require lashes. Obviously you don't have to do lashes, but I just feel like lashes make the look come all together. So yeah, this is my everyday makeup, and I say everyday freely, like literally I won't wear this every day, but if I know I'm going to be taking pictures or if I want to look cute and put together, this is everyday glam. But if I have nothing else to do, my ass is staying in bed and not doing anything. I already prepped the skin using my Ole Henriksen C Brush Moisturizer, my Banana Bright Under Eye Cream, and I just put on some chapstick. So now for the face, I'm moving on to this foundation right here. I actually just started using this again. This was like my go-to foundation, but then I stopped because this is my more of a tanner shade, so that's why I'm reaching back to it. This is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and I'm in the shade 6.5. So I'm just going to apply this using my Dose of Colors Beauty Sponge. Okay, so now for concealer, I'm taking my Born This Way concealer, and I'm in the shade Light Beige. I'm just going to apply that under the eyes. Also, excuse the fire alarm sound. I need to change the batteries ASAP. And I'm going to go back in to my Dose of Colors Beauty Sponge to blend it all out. Alright, so now to set under my eyes, I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I just use this under my eyes first, and then I go in with another powder to set the rest of the face. And I like to use my beauty sponge to pat this under my eyes. I feel like when I'm using a brush, it just makes me look really dry. I don't know. Okay, so now to set the rest of my face, I go in with my Huda Beauty Banana Bread powder, and I take, where's my brush? I use my Morphe MB2 brush. And since this powder brush is kind of too big for my forehead, I go in with a Luxie 512 small contouring brush, and I just grab some of that powder and apply it with this little brush. Okay, so now for bronzer, I'm taking my Benefit Hoola bronzer. Nothing new here. If you guys been watching me, you guys know this whole entire routine, but I just wanted to make a dedicated video to this, so yes. Now I'm going to bronze using my Real Techniques Multitask brush, again using my Hoola bronzer. I like to start on the forehead and then do like a 3. So I start here, then I go down here, and I go under the chin. And then I put way too much on my forehead, so I'm going to go in with my powder brush, whatever's left over, and kind of just blend it out. And then to just get like the bronzer everywhere, I go in with my Morphe M527 brush and just like pretty much bronze it all. Okay, so now for blush, I honestly, hold on, let me fix this. I honestly change my blushes up all the time, but for this video, I'm using my Morphe Trio, and this is in Pop of Coral. And I'm just going to be using Boss and Fierce, which are these two shades right here. And to do that, I'm using the Urban Studio Stippling 204 brush. Now, for the highlights, I am taking my Morphe M310 brush, and I'm going to be using my Anastasia Amrezy Highlight to brighten up this face. Depending on the day, some days I'll do like heavier highlight or some days I'll do lighter. Just depends on your preference. And then I'll put a little bit on the nose, on the bridge. Whatever's left over, like I won't go back in for more. Now for the eyes, it's very simple. I like to make it look like I tried and put like eyeshadow and everything. So all I do is go into my Hoola bronzer, the one that I use for my face. I take a Morphe M533 brush and I pretty much just bronze my eyelids because I feel like it just gives it some more dimension and looks like it's all put together. So yeah, just put bronzer into the crease. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the eyeshadow part. So now before I put on my eyelashes, I like to put on some liquid liner. So I'm using the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner in the shade Black. So now that we have that on, I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes. So the lashes that I have been loving lately are from the Lash Bar LA from the Girls Night Out collection. I am obsessed with Pico Blvd, which is the middle one. I am still tempted to try out Dirty Dancer. I have not, but I need a bold look for that one. So yes, for today's video, I'm going to be using Pico Blvd because I don't know, I just feel like they give like the best like wispy, but like not too dramatic, but it's also like not too natural, so right in the middle. So yeah, so for today's lashes, I'm using Pico Blvd. Okay, so now that we wait for the glue to dry, it's almost dry. I'm gonna go with mascara after, but first I want to set my eyebrows using my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. Okay, and then I also want to do a little bit of highlight in the inner corner, so I'm going to take my Amrezy Highlight and using a Morphe M515 brush just to give it a little bit of glow. I'm going to set my face using my Morphe X Jeffree Star setting spray. Okay, so now I'm going to apply some mascara. This is just my CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion Mascara. And I'm just going to use that to blend in my real lashes with the falsies. And I'm also going to apply some on my lower lash line. Alright, so now last but not least, time for the lips. I'm going to be lining my lips using my LA Girl Keep It Spicy lip liner. And then on top of that, I'm taking my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. Alright guys, so that is all for today's makeup tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to show you guys my everyday glam. It's super easy, anyone can do it, and literally the lashes just bring everything together. So this is my everyday glam. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment down below what you'd like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angel's channel, which is MariiiBajariii and Angel. The link will be down below. You don't want to miss out that channel because I have been pulling some great pranks on Angel. Let me say, I did one and it was like the best prank I've ever done. So make sure you head over there and go watch that. There's a lot more coming up, believe me. So I wouldn't want to miss that. Stay blooming and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Dance.